We're out in a commercial property tonight because they have the whole building is backed up with sewer. But this air inlet vent channels right to where the house trap is, where it seems to be blocked. So we're going to try and jet this out and see if we can get it from here. There's more work that has to be done.
Okay guys, me again. I have to do this video with my mask on because it's very, very putrid down here. So, just wanted to show you, we were able to clear the line. We jetted, it went through here, and it has a direction, it went into the trap and cleaned it. And as you see here, you see wipers. But we're going to vacuum the trap out because they almost always have rust on the bottom of them and debris and whatever people flush over years and years. And get that all taken care of. We're also going to do the line from here going backwards. The line goes through the wall. It ties into this line that goes through here. So we're going to come this way, flush this all out. That comes all the way back to here. And as you see, that's where it was overflowing. Then we're going to open this 2-inch line and jet through, going that way, through here, connecting into the line that goes this way. Okay, so we're jetting the line, going from the house side back into the building to pull all the stuff back into the trap that we're going to vacuum out. Watch. Okay, let's show you the next part of our video. Okay, you see all that rust? It filled the entire sewer line house trap. All this is filled with rust. So we're going to suck that all out, get the rest of it out, and then they shouldn't have any issues as long as they don't flush anything that's abusive. Okay, you can see the house trap is now clear all the way to the bottom. Nothing in it at all. And thank you for watching the video.